lot of folks out there that like to eat dandelions. I'll show you how. Get these dandelions early in the season. If not, they're going to be bitter. Pick the leaves. The stem is very bitter. Any of the sap inside of this is going to be bitter. You want to watch the plants surrounding it. Right here with that 3 leaves, that's poison ivy. This really leaf here is yarrow. Another leaf that looks almost just like this is poison hemlock, and it is very poisonous, deadly. There's 2 real common recipes. One where we're going to wilt this in bacon grease and put bacon on it. This is really good. Another recipe people like is to boil this with potatoes. Earlier in the season, the better. When it starts getting the flowers, we're actually pushing it. We're going to make sure all this is washed up. You want to make sure there's nothing been sprayed on these dandelions when you're picking them. We've got chickens, so we cannot spray the yard. Make sure all the other plants are out of there. Clean everything in water. Just the leaves, not the stems. Stems can be really bitter. Cleaning these can be kind of difficult. Here's another piece of straw. See, this water is pretty dirty, so we're going to want to wash these again. Keep changing out the water until it's clear. This is pretty good right here. Squeeze out as much water as you can. Dry them off on a paper towel. Tear them up into little bite-sized pieces. My good friend from Austria used to talk about that. She lived to be 99 years old. This is what she ate, lots of stuff like this. Cook your bacon, make sure you save the bacon grease. The dressing, we're gonna mix equal portions of vinegar, sugar, and bacon grease. Sugar in, put in some bacon grease, and some vinegar. Stir it up and heat it up. Got everything on the stove. Drizzle it in and mix it all up. This hot mixture will wilt the salad. Chop up some crispy bacon. Sprinkle on some bacon. Bacon always makes anything better. Stuff is looking good. Time to give this a try. Very good. Not bitter at all. Wonderful flavor. And of course with bacon, always good.